Module 9, all about evolving your program. In this module, I go through some of my tricks and some of my tips for combining mise en place to speed up my cooking and to allow me to be more efficient in the kitchen.
Garlic powder, Worcestershire powder. Careful not to inhale this, it'll make you sneeze. Pimenton adds a smokiness to my spice mix. Ground turmeric. Most people use turmeric for coloring. I love the flavor.
I'll get into using social media for motivation or using social media for inspiration. I have a little policy that I share with you. It's just something that I live by. It helps me to keep my mind in the right place. Talk in this module about the competitor's book, the judge's book. That's what the kitchen evaluators are going to want to have. Now, in a lot of cases, you're going to want to leave these without your name on it so that you don't necessarily have traceability, right? They like and polishing the program. Tightening up all of those earlier components, the food rec, the timelines, and that rounds out Module 9. See you in the next lesson.